From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is a Tropical Weather Update.
Meteorologist Kelli Rawson here in the Weather Center with a look at the tropics, and all eyes are on Hurricane Melissa that has now strengthened into a Category 5 hurricane overnight, and you can just see it looks very, very powerful. You see that very well-defined eye right there, still churning south of Jamaica at this time, still moving due westward, but it's eventually going to be making a northward shift, unfortunately, right on track for the island of Jamaica, looking to be, if not the most impactful hurricane to make landfall on the island in record-keeping history. So it is definitely a bad situation for the island of Jamaica. For the next little bit, again, we are still going to see Melissa continue to move westward and then eventually recurve to the north, making and taking aim right for Jamaica with winds right now at 160 miles an hour and a minimum pressure of 917 millibars. So it is packing quite the punch. Catastrophic flooding, catastrophic wind damage looking likely again for the entire island. That will eventually weaken just a little bit after interacting with the land, eventually still continuing to be a major Category 3 hurricane when making landfall again into the island of Cuba, continuing on a northeastward track, and again heading through the Bahamas and nearby, and then eventually back out to sea in the Atlantic Ocean. So we are going to be watching very closely these Caribbean islands over the next few days as we continue to watch the wrath and impacts of Melissa that it will have on these islands, unfortunately looking potentially and likely devastating. So of course that hurricane warning out for Jamaica as well as eastern Cuba. A tropical storm warning because we are going to be a little bit removed from the eye wall over into parts of Haiti, and then we do have that hurricane watch for the Turks and Caicos Islands as well as part of the Bahamas. So it's just a very serious situation. Our thoughts and prayers certainly go out to the people who are going to be impacted by Hurricane Melissa.